Hello YouTubers, here we have a Komatsu forklift main controller or interlock box that his function is to unlock the hydraulics, and it's more like a safety controller. If this one is not working, no hydraulics. Okay, the engine starts but you don't have any hydraulics. The problem was that the engine starts, the hydraulics control is off. So this was because the electrician tried to bypass the seat occupancy switch, and I think mislead something. He did something, I don't know what, and this controller doesn't start, because to start on the seat occupancy switch provide 12 volt positive to this resistor right here, and this resistor opens this transistor, and in this way the controller starts and unlock the hydraulics. So if you want to get this job done, in first place you need to remove the resin, the black resin. For this you need to hit with a heat gun to hit the resin, and then remove it with a screwdriver, but you need to be very careful, because as you can see, it's full with SMD components. So after that you need to change the resistor and the transistor. This is my case. For full HD pictures or something, or any further guidance, please contact me. So have a good day, and good luck with the repairs.